Hi, I'm Will. I'm a mechanical engineering major and 3D printer enthusiast.
Hi, I'm Daisy. I'm a dual major in economics and sustainability.
My name's Tim. I'm super passionate about sustainability, finance, and data analytics.
And we are 3VIs.
Education is widely considered a pathway to independent living. For people with disabilities, this predicament is rooted in executive functioning.
People overlook problems that 3D printing could turn into opportunities.
There's no affordable services that design, manufacture, and deliver custom 3D printed items.
One recognized market is people in wheelchairs. That's why we rented a wheelchair. Here are the pains we experienced.
When I tried to get food at the dining hall, I couldn't hold my tray and I spilt my drink.
My hands get covered in blisters from the small metal handles.
I found it challenging to use my phone for GPS and calls. These problems remain unaddressed because alternative solutions are either too expensive or don't exist. Our goal is to assess and solve barriers students with disabilities, certain medical conditions, and injuries face on campus.
We empathize with the user by collaborating with early adopters to test our prototypes. Testing can help us learn more about the user, introduce new constraints, and give us new ideas to prototype.
We have brainstormed a few designs to help them with limited mobility. We want to implement a food tray and universal cup holder.
Making wheel handle covers that prevent blisters would be awesome.
Finally, a phone holder attachment perfect for video calls and GPS navigation.
Our current addressable market is around 700,000 disabled college students in the U.S. who completed a 4-year degree and 400,000 who continued past a 4-year degree.
3VIs utilizes design thinking to pay close attention to other people's problems.
One of the acknowledged avenues to reduce inequalities amongst disabled populations is to create physical and social solutions. 3VIs means that there are less barriers to operate, which means more belonging and community engagement. Schools and student accessibility services are also required to follow the Disability Act. That is an act that establishes a clear and comprehensive prohibition of discrimination on the basis of disability.
We want to create partnerships with schools and programs for a common goal, reduced inequality.
We also have much lower production times and development costs. Revenue will be generated by direct sales to individuals and contracts with universities and associated disability service programs.
Here are some professionals who have given feedback on 3VIs.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it'd be a really good resource for both people that we're working with right now and also people in the future would be able to benefit in a number of different ways.
It's a really important service on campus too.
It could be a really neat way to make things more affordable, make things more easily accessible. To get something like that could be pretty neat, and it's a cool collaboration too between UNH itself and NEP.
We want to thank the Changemaker Collaborative for the opportunity to share our ideas. Furthermore, we want to thank the eCenter and the Shaw Explorers program for their continued support.
Together, we can 3VIs the world.